Good morning everyone. We've had a bit of a lazy morning. Coffee, had a shower, tidied up camp, washed dishes, etc. We were wanting to go for a morning game drive, but because of the flat tire we got yesterday, couldn't repair it. We had to come here to Etosha trading post where they have a little tire workshop. So they're busy repairing my tire for me. I wouldn't want to continue the journey with no spare. Still lots of dirt roads to go on. So getting that fixed, and then yeah, we're gonna go check out the trading post here and maybe get something to eat if there's something available. Fill up with fuel. This place looks lekker though. There's campsites here. Looks very nice. If you ever want to stop just outside the park and camp. Yeah. How could I forget about, I got to mention yesterday's, late last night's lion sighting at the waterhole. I mean, that's one of the reasons you come here, right? Is to witness something like that. So very, very excited and happy about that. So cool. Kind of makes the trip a bit, like the rest of it is awesome. Like that's the cherry, that's just awesome. Anyway, we're going to do that again tonight, where we're going to go later. Worked once, so we're actually going to do a late evening game drive too. Here is a view of the campgrounds and facilities at Okaukuejo camp. A good walk for the park. There's three of these ablution blocks in this camp. They're really not as bad as people have said. The only thing I could complain about is that the toilets don't always flush the best. Sometimes that does leave a bit of a mess. But they get cleaned often. There's only once that I've actually seen a toilet that's nasty. Sure, they're really not bad, these ablutions. One common thing to do when you come to Okaukuejo is to climb this tower and see the view from up there. I was hoping to do it in the earlier in the morning, but it's our last afternoon and we haven't done it yet, so let's do it. Let's see what it looks like up there. Come. That is the entrance in, down from Windhoek. That's the road to Namatoni and Halali, and this is the road that goes around to either Dolomite and Olifantrus, and that's the road we're going to be driving this afternoon. Awesome view. Definitely worth the little hike. Give us some orientation. So we came in on this side. The shop is down there. The reception area is down there. And everything are down there. You drive in this way. There's the fuel station. The waterholes in that corner, and the campsites are all there. Very cool. Hey everyone, it's 4 p.m. We're 3 hours. We are on the road west of Okaukuejo, going towards Mbari waterhole, and the hope is that we get there with enough time to come back. So it depends what we see along the way. Yeah, we haven't been this way yet, so and we've heard really good things about Mbari, so hoping to get there. Hey guys, so last evening in Etosha, went for a game drive, didn't see too much. Just got back now, about to light the fire. I thought I'd show you something I saw on Facebook, Instagram. Someone did something called an upside down fire, and I've been using it for the last couple of weeks and it's been working well. So I thought I'd show you. There's a couple of layers below, and then you start with the blitz there, and like that. And then you put smaller pieces on top, so you use the bigger pieces at the bottom, smaller pieces on top, kind of upside down to what you would normally do. Yeah, it's made very good coal. The guy told me on the Facebook that it makes good coal, and I was like, surely it can't make a difference. And I think it does actually. Yeah, it burns nicely now, makes a big fire, and then burns down and makes good coal. That guy. Morning guys, so we woke up to rain this morning. We had to pack up camp in the rain. On our way out, we found some lime. Thanks for watching our episode. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel to see the rest of our Namibian adventure.